Hello friends, welcome back to this new video. Today's topic is how to install Google Sheets in computer and work without internet connection. As you can see in the screen, this Google Sheets I have installed in my computer. Let me close this Google Sheets. Click on the start button. Here you can see in the applications there is Google Sheets installed. If I click on this, the application launches. You can start creating blank spreadsheet by clicking on this button or edit a previously created spreadsheet by clicking on any one. So in this video, I'll show you the step-by-step process of installing Google Sheets in PC and work without internet. Let's get started. First of all, open any internet browser. Here I'll open this Google Chrome. In the web address bar, put docs.google.com/spreadsheets. Then press enter. To use Google Sheets, you should be signed in into an Google account. If you have already signed in, then you will get this window. Otherwise, you will get this window to sign in with a Google account. Click on these three lines, then click on settings. Here in the settings of Google Sheets, enable this offline option. So turn on this option. Here you can see setting up offline. Wait until this process finishes. Here you can see offline setup complete. Now click on the OK button. Next, to install Google Sheets in computer like an application, click on this three dot in the browser. Show more options by clicking on this small button at the end. Move your mouse pointer over this cast, save and share option. Then here you have an option that is install page as app. Click on this. Here you can see install this page as an app option is given. Here you can put the app name. The default name is given as Sheets. You can make it Google Sheets. Then click on this install button. Here you can see the application window is opened. Now if you close this, close the browser, click on the start button. Here in the application group you can see Google Sheets. Now you can click on this to open. And here you can see the Google Sheets opens. Now I can use Google Sheets without internet connection or in offline mode as well. Let me disconnect the Wi-Fi by going to this option, then disconnect. There is no any internet connection now. Now if I try to edit a spreadsheet, for example this sales report, I can click on this. Here you see the spreadsheet opens. Here I can use any formulas or do editing in the spreadsheet without internet connection. Here you can see the result is calculated. Here you can see saved to this device. Currently the change I have made here is saved in the device, and when I get back the internet connection, then it will synchronize with the drive. Let me go to my Wi-Fi setting, then connect the internet. The internet is now connected. And here you can see saved to drive option is given. So this is how you can install Google Sheets in computer and work without internet connection. Thank you very much for watching. See you again in another tutorial.